in TikTok. This is my story of going live TikTok. The reason why I go live TikTok, I love nature. Nature is healing. Nature is precious. And I like to show how precious nature is. So if someone going through something, they could enjoy nature from anywhere they are. This is my story why I go live. So I can let people see how relaxing, how precious nature is. And this is my life story of going live. And that's why I am showing nature to TikTok. I'm showing the birds to everyone out there. I am showing the trees. I am showing the plants. I am showing a little cloud. And that's why I go live, because of nature. Simple nature. That's all, guys. So go live. Click on those buttons. Go live. Click on those buttons, guys. Show your support. Show everyone your support. Show TikTok your support. And TikTok will appreciate you guys just by going live. Let everybody know the reason why you go live. This is my reason why I go live. I go live because I enjoy nature. I enjoy the sounds of birds. And I enjoy the rain, the cloud. And nature tells the truth. So like my channel, share, follow, subscribe, and hit my go live button for more information. Thanks, guys. Thanks, TikTok. Catch you later, guys.